Welcome to Codecraft. Today, we'll master Java's if statement and learn how to control the flow of your code using conditional logic. Let's dive in. Introduction to conditional logic. Conditional logic is a fundamental concept in programming, allowing developers to control the flow of execution based on specific conditions. In this presentation, we will explore the use of if statements in Java, highlighting their syntax, functionality, and practical applications in real-world scenarios. Understanding if statements. An if statement evaluates a condition and executes a block of code if the condition is true. It is essential for implementing decision-making in Java programs. Understanding how to structure these statements is crucial for writing efficient and effective code. Syntax of if statements. The syntax of an if statement in Java is straightforward. If, condition, / code to execute. This structure is vital for creating conditional logic. We will also discuss the optional else clause that allows for alternative execution paths. Nested if statements. Nested if statements allow for multiple conditions to be evaluated sequentially. This technique is useful when you need to check for more than one condition. Understanding how to effectively use nested statements can greatly enhance your programming logic. Common mistakes to avoid when using if statements. Common mistakes include forgetting to use braces, incorrect condition evaluations, and excessive nesting. Avoiding these pitfalls is essential for maintaining clean and readable code. We will review best practices to ensure effective use of conditional logic. Conclusion and best practices. Mastering conditional logic through if statements is crucial for any Java programmer. By understanding their syntax, proper usage, and common pitfalls, developers can write more efficient code. Always strive for clarity and simplicity in your logic to enhance code maintainability. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide to Java's if statements helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coding tutorials. Happy coding!